Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yet another week. Like, this past week has been super fast. I don't know where this time is flying to. We are almost done with halfway of this year, and seriously, times are hard, but I believe we are coming out of this stronger and better individuals. I actually don't know for you, but that's my ultimate goal. And yeah, so let's see how it goes. So I know as women, we bulk shop a lot. We have a lot of things in our closets that we bought, unplanned. We just buy things and just pile them there. So this week, that was my case. I picked up this pleated skirt that I've had for the longest. It was just laying in my closet. I have never worn it, and I paired it in 4 different ways. So let me know what's your favorite style out of the 4, and let's get the fun started. Yay! So there we go. I would pair this skirt with a simple cami, a black plain cami. It's just a simple look. Like, I really feel like I barely even put any effort into dressing this way, but I love the feel of it. It's summer. I know you might be trying to avoid dark colors, but this is really super light clothing, so that's how I would wear it. And I have a belt. I can just accessorize it with this red belt, to kill the black monotony on it, and just see how a simple belt will change this. And from the back, it's like that. Also, if you're one of those ladies that love blazers, you can basically just throw a blazer on this outfit just like that, and that's how it will look. I absolutely love this outfit. It's simple yet elegant, so elegant. I'm definitely gonna pair this one of these days, probably going to church or something, so you can do that and change. Next is this tee. It's super light and simple, and I like these kinds for summer. This one in particular makes me laugh every time I wear it, because I think I bought it for like $5 or $7 from H&M. This was their last season collection, and yeah, it always reminds me that you don't really have to break the bank in order to look good. I believe every woman has a fashion genius in them, and if you really try, you can bring that genius out whatsoever way, because we all have different body types, we all have different personalities, and yeah, anybody can bring whatever they have, and they can make it look elegant and classy. So there we go. Yay! So of all the outfits that I've already tried today, and whatever I'm gonna try after this, I must say this is my favorite by far, because I feel it really brings out my personality, like who I am and everything, and that's how it looks from the back. I have lost significant amount of weight, so I'm so in love with my waist right now. But besides, I just love accessorizing with belts, and yeah. And then there's always that one blouse or shawl, whatever, that always lays in your closet, basically doing nothing. So today I picked it up because for me it is this blouse, so I would pair it with this skirt, but I would first of all tuck it in. I think it looks much better tucked in. And once again, I'm gonna accessorize it just like that. And boom, here we go. That's exactly how I would wear this. I would pair this actually. Yay. So let me know which look was your favorite today, and if you liked this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, I think it's goodbye for now. Thank you.